Keep your eyes and mouth closed. Keep your back, neck and spine in a straight line. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Be aware of your surrounding. Be aware of the noise around you. Be aware of the air circulating around you. Be aware of your whole body. Let the thoughts come into your mind. Don't try to stop your thoughts. Don't create any new thoughts. Don't follow your thoughts. Try to chant your mantra. So, hum mentally. Slowly focus your attention on your heart center, Anahata chakra, and visualize a beautiful candlelight in your heart center. By observing the candlelight, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Slowly and gently take your both the hands back. Bend forward and offer Naman to Bhagavan. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Lean over. Slowly come to standing posture.
No, can you raise your voice a little?
Yeah. Join your legs. Hands in and out. Breathing. First we'll practice breathing practice. Stretch both the hands forward. Join your palm and open your fingers. Put your right leg in the front by stretching your hands sideways. breathe in, look up, breathe out, left leg, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, and breathe out. Relax. Raise your both the hands up. Put your right leg first. Breathe in, breathe out, left leg. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Separate your legs to your mat width. Stretch your hands sideways, Trikonasana. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your hands sideways. Relax for a few seconds. Stretch it again. Breathe in, twist, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Relax for a few seconds. Yes. Next practice, we'll move on to jogging. Make a fist of your hands. Keep it on your chest. Jog on your toes. Slowly increase the speed. Forward jogging. Lift your legs up. Backward jogging. Keep your buttocks. Sideways. Relax your hands. Stretch your knees forward. backward. Forward and backward. Twist. Jump. Relax. Do Mukha Dhoti. Relax completely. Observe your heartbeat. Observe your breath. Next, we move on to Surya Namaskara. Stand in the front. Mysore style of Surya Namaskara. Join your legs. Join your palm. Close your eyes. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Slow and deep breath. Visualize a beautiful Surya in front of you. By observing the beautiful Surya, we chant the mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyashapihitam Mukham Tattvam Bhushanna Bhavrano Sadya Dharma Yadushtaye Om Dham Mitraya Namaha. Namaskarasana. Hold for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uddhvasana. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Bend forward. Hold. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tripadasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bodharasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uddhvasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vipadasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bodharasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uddhvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bodharasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Uddhvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bodharasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Uddhvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bodharasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Uddhvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bodharasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Uddhvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, भूधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, साष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, बोधरासन, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, Namaskarasana, Udvasana, Padahastasana, Ekapadasana, Dvipadasana, Shashankasana, Sashtanga Namaskarasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, Namaskarasana, Udvasana, Padahastasana, Ekapadasana, Dvipadasana, Shashankasana, Sashtanga Namaskarasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, Namaskarasana, Udvasana, Padahastasana, Ekapadasana, Dvipadasana, Shashankasana, Sashtanga Namaskarasana, Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, Namaskarasana, Udvasana. Stretch back and hold. Breathe normal. Do lower abdominal breathing. Good for your neck pain and for your lower back pain. Normal breathing. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold with normal breathing. Feel the stretching. Do abdominal breathing. Good for your digestive system and for your reproductive system and for your abdominal fat. Do abdominal breathing. Right leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Push your trunk down. Breathe normal. Dvipadasana. Exhale and hold. Plank pose. Plank pose will make your body strong and it will tone up all your core muscles. It will prepare you for all the hand balancing asanas. Breathe normal. Do not stress or strain your spine. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale. Hold. Shashankasana is the one asana you need to practice regularly the moment you get up in the morning on the bed itself for 5 minutes, which is good for stress hormones, hormonal imbalance, good for your kidney and liver functioning, good for your back pain management, good for your excretory system, and for your digestive and reproductive system. If your head is not touching the ground, it is okay, but sit back on your heels. You can separate your knees. If your stomach is obstructing you, sit back nicely. It will activate your Vajra Nadis, which is connected to your urinary tract and to your Sahasrara Chakra. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. Breathe normal. Observe your abdominal movement. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. Roll your shoulders back. Open your chest and look up. Good for your reproductive system and for your back pain management. Udarasana. Exhale and hold. Feel the stretching on your calf muscle and hamstring. Push your head down. Don't raise your heels. Indi bagana ಎತ್ತಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡಿ. Lock your chin. This posture will make you strong. It makes your body very strong. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Good for your Swadhisthana chakra. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. All forward bending asanas. Good for your digestive system and for reproductive system. And you can get rid of any fear. Many times we have lot of internal fear which you can get rid of. Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale. Another half round. Have dhairya. Udvasana. Inhale and hold. All backward bending asanas will make you mentally very strong so that you can open your mind for any challenges in your career path. Good for your neck pain, back pain, chair sitting people. This is the asana you need to practice regularly. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. Feel the stretching. Those who have back pain, don't bend too much. You can bend halfway. Otherwise, you can bend as much as down as possible. Left leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Breathe normal. Tripadasana. Exhale and hold. Hold plank. Plank posture will make you very strong. It will tone up all your core muscles. It will prepare you for all the hand balancing asanas. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale. Sit back on your heels. Normal breathing, abdominal breathing. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. Normal breathing. Watch your breath. Close your eyes if you are comfortable. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. Roll your shoulders back. Open your chest. Close your eyes and visualize your posture. Udarasana. Exhale and hold. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Relax in Sthiti Tadasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Observe your whole body. Observe your breath. Observe your heartbeat. Normal and natural breathing. Drink some water if you want. Wipe your sweat. Rub it on your skin. That is the positive energy. Do not waste. Slowly, gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. You want to standing asanas, Vrikshasana. Fold your right leg. Press your right foot on your left thigh and pull up your left kneecap. Stretch both the hands forward. Twist and join your palm. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite leg. Fold your left leg. Press your left foot on your right thigh and pull up your right kneecap. Stretch both the hands forward. Left hand up, right hand down. Cross it and twist it. And join your palm. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly take 1 foot distance between your both the feet. Inhale, Padahastasana. Rise both the hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Slowly tuck your both the hands under your both the feet and push your head inside. And hold. 1, 2. If you can't bend, you can little bend your knees and bend forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your elbows. 11. Breathe normal. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale. Slowly come up. Exhale. Relax. Complementary Ardha Chakrasana. Stretch both the hands forward. Cross it. Interlock your fingers. Inhale. Slowly bend back and exhale. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3. Bend as down as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good for your back pain, neck pain management. 10. Good for your respiratory system. 11, 12, 13, 14. Breathe. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale. Slowly come to the center. Exhale. Relax. Again, rise both the hands up. Interlock your fingers. Your index finger facing the ceiling. Join your palm. Interlock your fingers. Close your ears with your biceps. Ardha Chakrasana. Inhale and then exhale. hold. Bend laterally to your right hand side and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good for your kidney and liver functioning. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Breathe. 12. It gives a lateral bending to your spine. 13, 14, 15. Takes care of your waistline fat. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, center, exhale, relax your hands. Again, self-complementary. Rise both the hands up. Join your palm, interlock your fingers, your index finger facing the ceiling. Close your ears with your biceps. Inhale and then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend laterally. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Close your ears. 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, center, exhale, relax. Slowly come to sitting posture. Stretch your both the hands forward so that your back will be upright. Slowly bend your knees and come to sitting posture. Flap your legs. Slowly fold your right leg in Virasana, not Vajrasana. Don't sit on your heel, okay? Keep your heel by the side of your thighs. Trianga, Ekaika Pada, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward and push your body back. Hold your toes and push your body back. If you have more flexibility, bend and touch your forehead to your knee. 1, otherwise just hold this much. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch your right leg forward. Fold your left leg back in Virasana. Keep your heels, left heel by the side of your left thigh. Inhale and then exhale. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch your left leg forward and fold your right leg again in Virasana. Second one, Kraunchasana. Fold your left leg, interlock your fingers under your left foot and rise it up and hold. 1, 2, if you can't reach, just hold your calf muscle and keep it straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, this much is also fine. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch your right leg forward and fold your left leg back. Opposite side. Fold your right leg. Take both the hands under your right foot, interlock your fingers, inhale and then exhale, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Fold your right leg in Virasana again. Fold your left leg in Ardha Padmasana. Keep it on your right thigh. Slowly, both the hands, Chin Mudra, hold, Mahavirasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, breathe normal, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly inhale, rise your left hand up, exhale, take it around your back and hook your left big toe with your left hand and keep your right hand on your left knee and hold. And observe your left hand side shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Hook your left big toe with your left hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly release your left leg, which is in Ardha Padmasana, and stretch your right leg forward and fold your left leg in Virasana and fold your right leg in Ardha Padmasana. If it is difficult, you can just keep it little down. Okay, whichever is convenient. You don't have to strain yourself. Keep it up. First, Mahavirasana. Both the hands, Chin Mudra, back straight. Hold. You can close your eyes if you're comfortable. 1, 2, meditate on your Agna Chakra, eyebrow center. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly rise your right hand up. Inhale, exhale, take it around your back and hook your right big toe with your right hand. And left hand, Chin Mudra on your right knee and observe your right hand side shoulder. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, breathe normal, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Clap it. Slowly go to butterfly posture and do rocking. Count. Those who have back pain, just do rolling. Otherwise, do rocking with butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend forward and touch your forehead to your toes when you come forward. When you go back, try to touch your toes to the ground. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly relax for a few seconds in Shavasana. Slowly tuck your t-shirt inside. Relax completely. Watch your breath. Watch your abdominal breathing. Slowly and gently come to Sthiti. Join your legs. Sarvangasana. Next practice. Those who can't do Sarvangasana can do Setubandhasana. That is bridge pose. Fold your legs and raise your buttocks and hold. Otherwise, those who can do Sarvangasana, slowly raise your legs up and push your spine towards the ceiling and hold your backbone. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, breathe, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, close your eyes, 23, breathe normal, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, breathe, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Slowly fold your knees and then slowly release your buttocks and then legs. Very good. Go for Matsyasana. Put Padmasana if you can. Otherwise, straight your legs. Chest up. Roll your head inside. Hook your toe with your both the hands. Bend your elbow and rest it on the ground. Open your chest. Breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly release your Padmasana or posture and then relax it. Shavasana. Go to Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Your hands couple of inches away from your body. Your palm facing the ceiling. Fingers curled. Relax and surrender your body to the ground. Watch your breath. Observe your whole body. As you breathe in from your toes to head. As you breathe out from your head to toe. Relax your whole body. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your kneecap. Relax your thighs. Relax your buttock muscles. Relax your hip joint. Relax your pelvic. Relax your spine. Relax your backbone. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest muscles. Relax your diaphragm. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your forearms, armpit, elbows, wrist, palm, fingers. Relax your throat. Relax your facial muscles. A gentle and a beautiful smile on your face. Relax your head region. Relax your back of your head. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet and enjoy the relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your whole body and mind and soul. And gently watch your breath. conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Sit in Vajrasana, Padmasana, Virasana or Siddhasana. Next practice, we'll move on to Kapalabhati. Left hand, Apana Mudra. Your tip of your thumb with your tip of your middle finger and ring finger. Keep it in this way on your knees. And right hand, Nasika Mudra. Fold your index hand, middle finger. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left nostril 50 rounds. Then once you're done 50, close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through right nostril. Then both together 50. Total 150. Start the practice. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. Once you are done with 150 rounds, go for Mahabandh. That is locking your chin, abdomen and genitals. All the three. Mahabandh, Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh, Mold Bandh. All put together, Mahabandh. Exhale completely and hold your breath and lock. Then you want to inhale, release the lock and then inhale through nose. Next practice, you move on to Nadi Shodhana, left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra. Keep your index hand, middle finger on your eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through left. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale through right nostril. Again inhale through right. Close your right. Exhale through left. That becomes 1 round. Continue for another 8 more rounds. Total 9 rounds. Observe your Ajna Chakra, eyebrow center. 1:1 ratio. Once you're done, relax and stop the practice. Observe your breath. You have balanced both the nadis. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. Let's wind up this session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Rub your palm. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. Gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anu.